Okay, Gurudev. Now we are going to start the kinematic second. Kinematic second means chapter 4. According to the NCERT, the motion in a plane. Okay. In the motion on plane, first of all we will discuss the main topic in a motion on plane, that they are divided in two parts. The first part is depend on the vectors and its property. Vectors and its property, and second is projectile motion. So firstly we will study the first part, vectors. Means vector. What is the meaning of vector? First of all we should know. So you have to think firstly कि why need a vector? Suppose we need a vector or not. So we will think to measure to any things. So we need something. Something means magnitude and direction, or only magnitude. In junior class you was learn, you was actually have knowledge. So whenever we will measure some value, so we need magnitude only, no direction. Sometime suppose we want to measure the potato, so no need the direction, so we can take potato and measure and we will keep inside. So no need direction, so we can say it is the scalar quantity. Okay, no need of directions, only need magnitude. Magnitude matlab size. So it is called the scalar quantity. For example, mass, volume, density, temperature, etc. And the second thing is we need a magnitude and as well as direction also, both. So we can say it is called the vector quantity. Okay, it is a formation vector quantity. For example, velocity, force, motion, law. Whenever we want to go anywhere, displacement, go anywhere, एक direction चाहिए velocity में. So we can say it is the vector quantity. So we will study in the mostly part, maximum part in vector. Okay, this is need of vector because we define the quantity and we measure the quantity and we add the quantity and we multiply the quantity and we mix the vector quantity. So we can say application of vector or property of that vector. According to this you can write the difference between the scalar and vector quantity. The simple question तो कम आता है, but you should know. Okay, then after that we will study that vectors and some definition about the vector. First of all, it is denoted by the vector. एक arrow से denote करते हैं vector को. Force vector quantity, F vector, D vector, A vector. It is the symbol. The one side is we can say tail और one side is arrow लगा head. ठीक है. So tail and head like this, north, south, east, west. तो ये origin पे हो गया tail. We are going ahead, then it is the head. So first of all, position vector. So how can we define the position vector? A vector which gives position of an object with reference to the origin of a coordinate system. Coordinate system is called position vector. ठीक है. कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में ओरिजिन है, यहाँ से पोजीशन डिफाइन करेगा वेक्टर के ग्राफ के अकॉर्डिंग. सो वी कैन से पोजीशन वेक्टर. द पोजीशन वेक्टर वी कैन शो बाय सिंबल OP वेक्टर और X. इट इज़ अ पोजीशन वेक्टर X. अब इसमें भी पोजीशन कौन से है? ये X वेक्टर 0, इट इज़ अ पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑल्सो, एंड इट इज़ X वेक्टर T. ठीक है भाई, बिकॉज आफ्टर T टाइम. 0 मतलब 0 टाइम पर origin when was not body started, then after starting the body in motion, so position, next position is xt after T time. Okay, it is a position vector. Now displacement vector. Displacement vector is change in position. Suppose we are taking the two position OP, after some time OQ. So change in position is del x. It is change in position. Initial position minus final position, OP vector minus OQ vector, or we can say initial position x naught minus xt. It is a displacement. Vector. Okay. The next POLAR, polar vector. what? Polar vector. Any vector have a starting point. The vector which have a starting point or a point of application are called polar vector. इसका starting point होता है, that is called the polar vector. Displacement, velocity and etc. Next, axial vector. It is a kinds of vector. और भी आएंगे. Axial vector, the vector which represent rotational effect and act along the axis of rotation is accordance with right hand screw rule are called axial vector. Represent the rotational effect. Suppose जैसे राइट हैंड स्क्रू के अकॉर्डिंग 10th में हम स्टडी किया, जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है उसके आसपास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप हो रही है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द पोलर वेक्टर, एक्सियल वेक्टर can be defined the axial rotation, axial condition. Then after null point या null vector, zero vector, the magnitude is 0. Suppose we want to go any direction, in any direction, but displacement is 0. बस हम देख रहे हैं उसकी तरफ, so we can say it is the zero vector and displacement is 0. Zero null vector. Next is equal vector. Equal vector means suppose we are taking the two vector OP and OP dash, two vector, both having magnitude equal, both vector are magnitude are equal, that is called the equal vector. A magnitude as well as direction also. Equal vector means positive vector and equal vector as well as direction and magnitude both are equal, that is called equal vector. Negative vector, only magnitude are equal but direction is opposite, we can say negative vector. It is represented by the a vector equal to minus b vector, because the direction of b is opposite with respect to a vector. Modulus of vector, the positive value of a vector, किसी वेक्टर की मैग्नीट्यूड वैल्यू, स्केलर क्वांटिटी इज कॉल्ड मॉडुलस ऑफ वेक्टर. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, न्यूमेरिकल आते हैं इसकी. यूनिट वेक्टर, यूनिट वेक्टर मीन्स दैट वेक्टर and the scalar quantity, scalar value of the vector, the ratio of a vector and scalar value, yes, scalar quantity of the vector is called unit vector. It is denoted by a cap, it is denoted by a cap, a vector upon a. Fixed vector whose initial point are fixed, fixed point means any vector the initial point are fixed, that is called the fixed vector. Origin से start हुआ suppose. Free vector whose initial point is not fixed, कहीं भी चला गया इनिशियल पॉइंट इन्फिनिटी तक, फॉर एग्जांपल इन्फिनिटी तक, ये फ्रॉम फिक्स्ड फ्रॉम ओरिजिन से स्टार्ट होगा और फ्री इन्फिनिटी तक चला गया. वो इनिशियल पॉइंट इज नॉट फिक्स, या फिर कहाँ से आया सोर्स पता नहीं, एक्चुअल पता नहीं है, तो फ्री नॉट इनिशियल पॉइंट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड, इट इज कॉल्ड द फ्री वेक्टर. कोलिनियर वेक्टर्स, कोलिनियर वेक्टर मीन्स सेम लाइन, बोथ वेक्टर हैव अ सेम लाइन और पैरेलल लाइन, it is called the linear line, it is called the collinear vector. Okay, then after that coplanar vector, both vector having a two or more than two vector have plane as a placed at a same plane में है, that is called the coplanar vector. Co initial vector, all the vector are starting from the same point, ठीक है, that is called initial vector. A B same point से start हुआ, origin A से B B C B सब. कोटर्मिनस वेक्टर, कोटर्मिनस वेक्टर मतलब सारे वेक्टर इज मीट हुए एक पॉइंट पर, ऑल द वेक्टर आर पेनिट्रेट या क्रॉस या इंटरसेक्ट अ पॉइंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कोटर्मिनस वेक्टर. ठीक है, ये वेक्टर के